What's up guys, today I'll be replacing these speakers for this one, new ones, for the OEM ones. So let's do it. So this is the OEM one and this is the one I'm going to replace. You can see the difference. This one is more bigger than this. The OEM one is 4 ohms and these ones are also 4 ohms but 20 watts, and this one is 15 watts. So I'm going to replace this and put these ones, the OEM one, back here. As you can see, I don't have speakers there, so I'm gonna put it there, and this one on a front, and that's it. So let's do it. So first of all, I'm gonna take this part of the door off and I'm going to unbolt this bolt, this one, this one, and this one, to take off the original speaker over here. So I'm gonna do that and I'll come back. So after taking the OEM one, we're gonna move back there to take that off and take this piece off to place the the speaker. So all you wanna do with this part to take it off, you are gonna find these things, I don't know how you, these things here and over there in that side. So all you wanna do is take it off like this, and in the other side, and this will come loose and you can take it out just like this. So to take this piece off, this rest piece, all you need to do is unbolt this one, and this one, and pull it off, and it will come out. So I take it already. So to pry this off, you need to push from the on a trunk, from the trunk, for the trunk, push this up and this will come loose, and then you can take it off. So I'm gonna do it and I'll come back. So I ended up taking this off, the brake light. To do this, you need to unbolt these things. It's gonna be under on the trunk. So to pull this off, and that's it. You have everything here, the ball, this circle, and over there, and only I need to put it, and that's it. I just finished putting it, so I connected here with the OEM plug, and it's there. This one is finished. So now I'm gonna begin with this one, with the front one, with this one. So I'm gonna show you. So this one is gonna be the front left. In order to fit this in the door, in the front left door, I need to drill new holes. If you can see, I already drilled it here, and here, because it won't fit because it is bigger than the OEM one. So I'm gonna get to that and I show you. So I attach these two cables here, and I'm going to insert these sides of the cables in here, and that should do the trick, and then it's gonna be all ready. So I just finished installing this speaker, and it sounds. So now I'm gonna need to cut this thing because it doesn't fit the new speaker, so I'm gonna do it. So I just finished cutting this, and I'm gonna see if this speaker fit, and then I'll be finished. So I ended up switching the big one to the back again, and the small one there, the OEM one there, because the big one it just won't fit the door trim. So I decided to put it back again because it's more easy in that fighting with that. So I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna show you when it's all finished. So yes guys, both sides are the same way to install it. So I installed that one and that one, and I'm finished. You can see here I put everything on, the speakers, everything works. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and see you on the next video.